One very important question that somebody asked me yesterday was about PRP stem cells for hair restoration. And again, that is a question where someone asked that what is it that we do in our office which is different than somebody who goes for a hair restoration somewhere and they draw your blood, spin it, and inject it right back into your hair. So hair restoration is a very multi-faceted approach. So you cannot just think that as you start losing hair, somehow magically your blood will turn into like this potion, which when injected into your scalp will grow new hair. As you start aging and as your body's function starts declining, you lose the nutrients in your blood supply. So basically, when you come to my office, one of our first steps that we take for you is to start you on infusions, which are usually these vitamin and mineral infusions with high dose vitamin C, some glutathione, some biotin, some B vitamins, some MIC, which is like a liver cleanse. And basically those vitamins we give you for a month or two, and we basically allow your body to really upgrade its systems. And that is when we feel that you have like a nice, good quality of blood that will give us some nice PRP to inject back into your scalp. But we don't leave it there. We basically then also like to do a little bit of microneedling around your scalp, and our microneedling is with a machine which is called Microneedling Electronic Genius, which is a very state-of-the-art, cutting-edge, new kind of a technology which has a radio frequency laser also. So what we do is that we not only inject the stem cells, but we also kind of turbocharge your stem cells into the scalp with the help of this microneedling and RF laser. And that, I think, combination really works wonders for our clients. I've been doing it for like at least 7 to 8 years, and we have excellent results. And one of the reasons that our results became much better than some of the other people who just used these treatments on their own is because we created this combination treatment. And now I refuse to give just piecemeal treatments for hair restoration because I just think that's a waste of money. And a lot of our clients I hear these days, because it's so inexpensive to fly down to Turkey and get your hair transplant for like $800, but then it's not going to stay there if you're not going to do infusions and stem cells and some regular microneedling. So if hair is important for you and this is something that you want to maintain for the next, let's say, 10 years or so, just don't think that just by injecting stem cells from your already aging blood supply, which you probably is the reason you're losing it in the first place is probably because you're not eating right, you're not doing a bunch of other things that people are supposed to do. So then without fixing all those problems, you may not be able to get the results that you're looking for.
And what is the range price?
So when you do, so in our office, when you do hair restoration, it's like a combo treatment, and that's like one treatment. It costs you like around $1,500. That's just a starting price. And then you need like 3 or 4 of those treatments every month or every 6 weeks. So that's it. So $1,500 you are spending every 6 weeks, and you can buy package deals where you can save like 5-10% depending on what offers we have. I hope these questions help you understand some anti-aging concepts, and if you find this useful, please consider following us, because we go live every day just to teach and train everybody about what anti-aging is. Take care. Bye.